There may be another planet in our solar system. Not theoretical, not a simulation. Something massive is out there. And it already left marks on everything beyond Neptune. For nearly a decade, astronomers have chased a shadow, a planet no one has seen, but whose gravity seems impossible to ignore. In 2025, the story changed. Not with a photograph, not with a headline discovery, but with evidence hiding in places we weren't looking anymore. Could this finally be the year Planet 9 steps out of the dark? Or are we chasing a pattern that never meant what we thought? Either way, the outer solar system just became dangerous territory for our assumptions. Planet 9 wasn't invented to sound dramatic. It came from a problem. When astronomers studied the most distant icy worlds, objects far beyond Neptune, they noticed something strange. Their orbits weren't random. They leaned the same way, pointed the same direction, moved as if something massive was quietly controlling the traffic. In 2016, two astronomers at Caltech proposed a bold explanation: a planet 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, orbiting hundreds of times farther from the Sun than we do, too distant to see easily, but heavy enough to shape the solar system from the outside. The idea was radical and immediately controversial, because if such a planet exists, it should be out there, somewhere, noticeable. Years passed. Telescopes scanned the sky. Archives were searched. Predicted positions came and went. Nothing. Skeptics pushed back. Maybe the orbital alignment was coincidence. Maybe our surveys were biased by where telescopes could point. Some argued we were seeing patterns created by our own observation limits, not by a hidden planet. For a moment, it looked like Planet 9 might quietly fade away. Then, new objects started appearing. Instead of simplifying the mystery, they made it worse. In 2025, astronomers announced a new distant world, a small icy object, nicknamed Ammonite, a fossil from the solar system's earliest days. Its orbit shouldn't exist. It never approaches the giant planets. It loops hundreds of astronomical units into deep space. And it has followed this path for over 4 billion years. Here's the problem. Ammonite doesn't line up with the other distant objects. If Planet 9 exists, it shouldn't allow this orbit to remain stable, unless Planet 9 is much farther away than anyone predicted, or unless something else happened long ago, something violent enough to rearrange the solar system and leave behind relics like this. Ammonite didn't solve the mystery. It rewrote the rules. Then came the most unsettling clue of all. Not from a telescope. Unexpectedly. From old data. In 2025, astronomers reanalyzed infrared sky surveys taken decades apart. One from 1983, another from 2006. They found a faint dot. Gone in one dataset. Reappearing years later. Shifted by just the right amount. The motion matched exactly what you'd expect from a massive object crawling through the outer solar system. Hundreds of astronomical units away. Moving too slowly to notice in real time. Too cold to shine in visible light. If this object is real, it's the strongest candidate for Planet 9 ever found. And if it isn't, then something else is shaping the solar system in ways we don't understand yet. Here in 2026, the hunt has reached a turning point. The hunt for Planet 9 has evolved from speculation into a global scientific pursuit. New observatories are coming online. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory is beginning its deep all-sky survey. NASA's Roman Space Telescope is close behind. If Planet 9 exists, it is running out of places to hide. And if it doesn't, then the edge of our solar system is telling a different story, one we haven't learned how to read yet. Either outcome is profound. Discovery would mark the first new planet found in our solar system since Neptune. Failure would reveal how easily patterns can mislead us, and how much we still have to learn. For now, the mystery remains. A hidden world may still be circling the sun in silence, waiting to be noticed. Or it may exist only in the strange echoes of our data. Did we finally find Planet 9? We're closer than ever to knowing, and until the answer arrives, the hunt continues, urging us to keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep looking beyond in the darkness. If you want to follow this story as it unfolds, not just the headlines, but what the evidence actually means, subscribe. We focus on the discoveries that change how we understand space before the answers are comfortable. Because the solar system still has secrets, and we're getting closer to the edge of them.